Hi, Janelle Schaefer here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I'm really happy to have you here today. And in today's video, I'm going to be making dandelion flower kombucha. And I already have the kombucha mushrooms ready. I was making one from scratch, but it turned into 4 because it's been a few months since I started the one mushroom and I haven't actually made a batch of kombucha from it yet. So I'm gonna do that today and show you how. Let's get started. The like button, the subscribe, the bell button, and also leave a comment down below. Have you made kombucha? Have you tried kombucha? Just say hi, but leave a comment. So here in this bowl is the mother mushroom, the kombucha mushroom, and I have, like I said, there's probably like 4 in here, and smells like kombucha, a little bit vinegary. I started this from scratch. I had kombucha that I bought, and I had to, boy, I don't remember exactly what I did. I had a recipe, but I can put a link for a video on how to make a kombucha mushroom from scratch in my description, and you can see how to do that, because that is what I did. But like I said, I have 4 now because I started a few months ago and I didn't turn it into the kombucha tea, which I'm going to do next. So my kids just picked dandelion flowers for me and usually use green tea, and I am going to use 1 or 2 tea bags with green tea, but I thought I really would love to use the dandelion flowers to make this. So in my saucepan here, I have 5 cups of water and 2 green tea bags, and I'm going to be adding all of my dandelion flowers. I have about 3 cups of dandelion, and I want to make this pretty strong. So I'm going to add this in, stir it, simmer, and turn this into tea. And then I'm going to also turn on my teapot and get that water sanitized by boiling it, and then I'm going to combine this together in my jar with the sugar and the kombucha mushroom. I just strained the dandelion green tea mixture into my jar, and then I'm going to fill up to about here. So this was 5 cups. I'm going to do about another 5 cups of just water that has been boiled in my teapot. Now I'm going to add a cup of cane sugar. I do not use white sugar, even to make kombucha. So I'm gonna just put this in. And then you should always use wood when you're using fermenting things, not use metal. So glass, wood, ceramics. So this is all hot, and I'm gonna mix this up well. Now I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup of my reserve kombucha liquid from the mushroom I made. I'll put that in. And I am going to put the largest one that I have on top. Okay, it's slippery in them. There we go. Put it in there. Okay, so I just secured cheesecloth on the top of this jar, and I probably should have said that it's better if you let the hot water cool before you add the mushroom, which I didn't do, but it's okay. So I'm just securing this. I want to make sure the rubber band's on well all the way around, and this is going to sit for 2 weeks in a darker cabinet I have a dark cabinet that's pretty empty. And then after that time, I'm going to rebottle and add juice concentrate to the bottles that I'm going to transfer this to. Probably actually pint or quart jars. And I'll have to make another video at that time so you can see that process. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you get a chance to make some kombucha, come back and leave a comment. Let me know how it turned out. Like I said, I will do a follow-up video in a few weeks and show you how to add the concentrate, juice concentrate. It really makes it taste a lot better. I don't want to say it's bland, but kind of like just like vinegary bland if you do not add some concentrate that has a little bit more sugar in. I like grape juice concentrate, but you can use cherry, pretty much anything. So anyway, I am happy that you are here today. Glad you stayed to the end. Thanks so much, and come again.